Hey there, YouTubers. Greg Stevens here from cashyourgreens.com, and today I'm going to show you guys something that you guys, if you grow strawberries, you're going to love this, okay? What I did last year, if you scan down here, I took a 3-inch PVC tube, cut a opening on the top, and then I got these pipe hangers, 4-inch pipe hangers, and I hung this alongside of my strawberry wiki bed. Now, after your strawberries produce their fruit, they start producing these runners. And I take these runners and I throw some potting mix down inside the tube, take the runners and stick them in there, and they start to grow roots like this. Look at that. Amazing. Snip, snip. And now I got brand new strawberry plants to either plant in my strawberry beds and take the old ones out, because after 3 years they stop producing fruit, and replace them with brand new fruit that's going to be awesome for next year. I've got a couple plants here. I got 1, 2, 3 plants in here. Come on over, I'll show you what I do with them. Cut. Okay, we're going to snip this in half. Look at all those roots ready to go. And we're going to cut this runner right here. There's another plant right there. That's another plant. So there's one whole plant. We're going to trim some of these roots off. We don't need all these roots in here, for this just takes up too much room. Snip off the runner. We got a brand new plant right here. I could cut the leaves off or leave them. I'm going to leave them on there. What I'm going to do then is take my tray, make a little hole like this, put it down in that hole, seal it up like that. That's one way. Now I'm going to show you the other thing we can do with these. Cut. Here's the other thing I can do with these new plants that I grew from runners. I'm going to place them in my pots where my other strawberries are. This will be a brand new plant for next year, and this is going to produce a lot of plants. These are my ever-bearing strawberries. They're called Seascapes. Just going to tuck it down in there like that, get the roots in, fill it in. Boom, that's it. Now the only thing I need to do in the spring, come on down over here. I will put the fertilizer in my wiki right here with my nitrogen and my phosphorus and potassium, and I will produce big 2-inch strawberries that are going to give me fruit all year long. So one thing I want to do differently next year is the runners on this side of the plant are perfect for this trough. But what I'm getting is a lot of runners on the other side, and I have to wait until they get long enough before I can put them over here, and I don't want to wait that long. So I'm going to put another one of these 3-inch PVC tubes over on the other side so I can put them on both sides, have twice as many plants. And as you can see down below here, these are trays that I have been putting these newly rooted strawberry plants in last month, and they're already perking up and be ready for bearing fruit next year. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you on how to harvest your strawberry runners, how to get them to root, pot them up, sell them by the flat, or repot them for your fruit for next year. This is Greg Stevens from cashyourgreens.com, and don't forget to subscribe, because I know who you are. Later. Peace out.